Keep on wishing. Hi everyone, we're the Juans. We hope that you guys are not just having fun, sana na-inspire kayo. Boys, you good?
Yeah.
You know, I'll never forget the first time I met Kuya Daniel. It's so unforgettable because first time namin mag-perform sa Araneta. And it's just amazing how behind the one whisper, it has impacted a lot of lives, not just artists, but even charities and ordinary Filipinos. It's so perfect that this event is entitled Behind the Whisper. Because behind the whisper is not just a voice. Behind the whisper, many dreams were fulfilled. Behind that whisper, thousands of people were touched. Thousands of people were influenced and inspired. And behind that whisper, a lot of artists have risen up. A lot of artists nagkaroon ng pag-asa, nagkaroon ng chance ipakita ang kanilang mga talento. At isa kami, pruweba, sa impact ng buhay ni Kuya Daniel. And we're gonna be singing our last song for tonight. And we're just so honored na to be singing this song. We were asked by Kuya Daniel to interpret this song that he wrote for everyone. And tonight, we're not just gonna hear the whisper, we're gonna hear the song and the heart behind that whisper. And today, if you're watching this, and you're feeling down, you're feeling discouraged, you're feeling lonely, you feel like no one understands you, we just want to say, in behalf of Kuya Daniel, of Wish 1075, and the Juans, alam niya. Alam niya.
Kung sa puso mo ay hindi maiwasan ang pagdalaw nitong mga kalungkutan, iyong alalahanin ay amang nagmamahal, laging nakamasid, laging nakabantay. Huwag kang mabalisa sa anumang bagay. Sa Ama ay ilapit iyong kahilingan, sambahin, purihin, pasalamatan, pagkat siyang mag-iingat ng puso mo't isipan. Pagpadadaig kahit nalulumbay, ang pag-asang taglay ay iyong ingatan. Ang dalisay na aral iyong panghawakan. Ikaw ay may Diyos na madadaingan.
Mabalisa sa anumang bagay, sa may lapit iyong kahilingan,
Sambahin, purihin, pasalamatan, pagkat kau ingat ng puso mo isipan. Iyong ilagak ang pagtitiwala sa Ama ay ilapit iyong kahilingan, sambahin, purihin, pasalamatan, pagkat siyang mag-iingat ng puso mo. Isipalisat sa anumang bagay, sa Ama ay ilapit iyong kahilingan, sambahin, purihin, pasalamatan, pagkat siyang mag-iingat ng puso mo. Isipan, ang Diyos ay pag-ibig, lubhang mapagmahal. Ang di mo masabi, siya ang may alam.